Keep yourself updated. Subscribe to Vedanta and click bell icon.
Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about editing functions in Excel application. So here first we'll just start with the overwriting or editing. See here in the cell number N3, which is having the spell of Microsoft. If you want to edit the cell, first you need to double click on the cell. So when you double click on the cell, it just activate the cell and it just give a chance to write a text continuously. So here we are not overriding it, we are simply editing it. Once again I repeat, if you want to edit any cell content, simply double click on it and just the cursor will get started blinking, and here simply you may start writing the cell. Here we have not overridden. If you want to override the cell directly, simply select the cell and directly start typing your content. Now here the Microsoft is replaced with the Excel. This is called as overriding, and the first one we have done, that is editing, right? So next, for example, if you do not have a mouse to double click on it, if you want to edit the cell, simply press F2. So when you press F2, the system will get activated blinking, and simply again you may keep writing the text. And if you want to override it, simply select the cell, and start writing the numbers. So this is how we just override and edit. And next one is that formulas and functions. Now here I would like to get, says in Excel application by default some formulas are developed and preloaded, and some formulas that which we need to type manually. For example, sum is a basic formula which is already preloaded in Microsoft. So simply activate the range +1 cell and simply go to home menu, and next to sigma sign you may see that there is an option called as sum. So simply click on sum. Here automatically the range is selected, automatically the formula also auto written. Right here the total is at 3,601 rupee. If you want to edit the formula, simply press F2, and here I'm going to add more 100 rupees. So now what is the result? 3,601 rupee, right? So simply press F2 and plus 1000. Now before it is 3,601 rupee, now here I'm going to add more 1000. The total is at 4,601. This is how we edit the formula also. And see here next we'll just discuss about using undo and redo. And if you want to see what is undo, what is redo, I just want to get back to my previous screen. So simply you may press Ctrl+Z for undo. Before it was 3,601 and now it just came back to 4,601. If you want to go back, and just press Ctrl+Z, Ctrl+Z, you may see that it is just going Ctrl+Z. And if you want to bring them back, just press Ctrl+Y. And instead of using the shortcut key Ctrl+Z for undo, Ctrl+Y for redo, you also can use the system handlers. So this is for undo, this is for undo, and this is for redo, right? Yeah. Next we'll just discuss about find and replace. Yes, if you want to find something in the whole document, directly press Ctrl+F. Ctrl+F is a shortcut key which is used to find a text from the document. I would like to find AY. So here I'm going to type A and Y and simply click on find next. So here it is going to display Monday, which is having the text called as AY. I can click on next. Next it just keep going forward, which is going to show all the available AY cells. Next, if you want to find something, you may press directly Ctrl+F, and if you want to replace something, you need to press Ctrl+H. So here I would like to find AY. For example, I would like to find only Y, and I would like to replace with the capital R, and simply click on replace or replace all. That is your choice. So whether you like to replace in one cell or whether you like to replace in the whole document, that is your chance. So here I'm going to click on replace all. So when you click on replace all, you may see that all Y is being replaced with the capital R. Here system is showing that all done. We made total 7 replacement. You may see that there is no y in this screen because all y's are replaced with r, and if you want to just get back, Control plus Z to undo. Right. Next we'll just discuss about go to. For example, now my active cursor is C9. I would like to jump to C100. So in that cases you may simply type Control plus G and system open a dialog box and simply type G100 and click on OK. Directly the system has been moved. Your active cell is moved from C5 to C100. Here you may write whatever you like to write. Right, so this is how we'll just jump to the cells. If you want to come back to A1 cell, simply press Control plus G, press Control plus G and type here A1 and click on OK. We just move back to A1 cell. This is how we edit data in Excel. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Keep yourself updated. Subscribe to Vedanta and click bell icon.